now we're going to do the tree. So here is your tree. So you've already got your 4 row stitches done right here. So now we're going to work on your tree. So here is the tree. This box is this here, this box. So you have 19. So you have 19 stitches. Okay, so there's exactly 19 stitches this way, and then there's 4 rows here. Now we're going to start with the bottom of the tree, which is 3 green, 3 green, and 3 green. So on the tree here, you see we've got your 19. So you have a row 1, 2, 3, 4 of 19. Now we're going to come up here and you're going to do 8 white. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now that you've done 8, you're going to do 3 green, 3 green, and 3 green. And then you're going to stitch the white over on this side. But this row right here is your count for the white stitches. And this count right here is your tree stitches. So you have 3, 3, and 3. This row is 11. This row is going to be 13, 15, 13, 15, 11, 13, 11, 13, 7, 9, 5, 7, 3, and 1. So now you've built your tree. You can either go through the center and stitch that many and then work your way down, or you can do it row by row by row. So I broke it down by rows. So you have 3, 3, and 3. So now you're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4 and start green. Do 11 stitches. So on here, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, right? So we filled all this in white and this in white. Now we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4 and do a row. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just like on here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Do a row, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. Because this is the end of our canvas right here. Then the next row is going to be 3. 1, 2, 3. Just like here on our tree. 1, 2, 3. And then over. 1, 2, 3. 2. 1, 2. Then your row, and then 2. So whatever you do on this side is the exact amount it's going to be on this side. So you're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4. Your tree. 1, 2, 3, 4. Till you get to the top. Okay, so I'm gonna let you look at that for just a sec. If you want to pause it, use it for your count. Sorry, my hand's a little shaky. Okay, and then here is your tree. So this is the tree count. 11, 13, all the way to 1. There's 4 rows below it, 4 rows below it, 4 rows above it, 4 rows above it. This is how far over in the white you will come. So if this makes it easier for you to go ahead and do the white stitching and then the green, that's fine too. So I've made it easy. You're going to do 8, 8, and 8, and then 4, 3, 2, 3, 2, 4, 3, 4, 3, 6, 5, 7, 6, 8, and 9. So that's how many stitches across. And then all you have to do is fill in your green. And then this count matches on this side, but this count over here is your tree. So I couldn't do it on both sides. So just keep in mind, this side is the white, this side is the tree. And that's your count, 19. So I tried to explain it the best way that I could, and I hope that when you stitch this, whichever way is easier. If you want to stitch your tree first, stitch your tree first. Use this count. If you want to do the white, okay, fine. Do 4 rows of white, 4 rows of white. And then you're going to do 3 rows of 8, 3 rows of 8 white. And then you're just going to follow this count all the way up. Then you're going to do 4 rows of white. Then when you come on this side, you'll know that you'll stitch in 9. You'll stitch in 8, 6, 7, 5. Then once you stitch it in down this way, then you'll be 8, 8, and 8. Then the tree will be easy to fill in with the green. Just like on here. You'll stitch this row, then you'll stitch this row of 8, 8, and 8. And then like I said, you'll do 4, 3, 2, 3, 3, 4, till you go all the way back up to the top. then you'll do your 4 rows, and then you'll just do the exact same account on this side, till you get back down to here and to 8, 8, and 8, and then you can fill the green in separately. So it's whichever you're more comfortable with on doing the tree. Beginners may want to do the exact count that I have written down. Those that are more seasoned, they may just do the whole entire white part and then fill in the green last. And then here's the pattern for the green tree. If you do create this, please comment below. Maybe upload a little quick video of your creation. Did you use red? Did you use green? Did you use red and green? You know, you can mix it up and do different colors. If somebody in the family's favorite color is blue, then do it all in blue or pink or purple. It doesn't have to be green or red or even white, the background. You can do all different colors and do Noel on the tree in white. Alright, let us know what you think below, and thanks for watching.